sister, man, Frank Sean Beard, and my pops, Johnny Jean Beard Jr., man.
I ain't gon' lie, this song hurt when a nigga wrote it. I'm understanding now why God made me a poet. Your life bright? Then why the fuck mine feel the coldest? Shit ain't all sweet on this side if you ain't fucking noticed. Friend Joe Nee, I love your ass to death for putting your life on the line. March when you step. I'll salute you to the day they bring my casket to me. And I appreciate all the things that you did for me. Paid for plane tickets and family vacays. Disney World with the fam, those were great days. You bailed me out of jail when they ain't had shit. Letters plus money on my books when I was behind that fence. Let me stay with you in Florida without paying rent. And even let me dry your lack to a certain extent. Thank you for the love you shown and all that money spent. Stood behind me on decisions if it made sense. All across the world, then we never lose touch. Treat a mirror like your own, that's why I love you so much. Yeah, so many miles away, but ain't no place like home. My family is the reason why I'm writing this song. It's crazy how this life can change you. Nevertheless, don't ever let it break you. Cause we ain't through. Pops told me, son, don't let them play you. And handle your business, haters try to take you. Cause we ain't through. A mirror, I promise that daddy gon' make it right. Without you, I really don't have a life. Cause we ain't through. Sleepless nights thinking about Seville. You truly miss, dog, that's for you, and that's just real. Cause we ain't through. We ain't through. Cause we ain't through. Fuck what they said. We ain't through.
No matter how they try to hold us down, man.
Cause we ain't through.
Everybody that ever told me that I wasn't gonna be shit.
Fuck what they said, boy. We ain't through.
You know what I mean? That's all I gotta say, man.
Yeah.
Real talk.
Cause we ain't through. Verse 2 for my pops, I swear that man's the greatest. If it wasn't for him, I would've never made it. Self-preservation is the first law of nature. A quote that stuck with me when I'm out here chasing paper. Gave me a vision for bullshit and leeching ass haters. Said, son, don't jump in that water if you know you ain't a gator. Conversations about you in my mind, fucked up on drugs. Refuse to let foster care keepers. That's love, conversation rule the nation. All over the world, never rest on your laurels and kept me smooth with the girls. Taught me how to box and protect myself when I ran into a buster. Rest in peace, Carol Ann, that's your wife and that's my mother. I know you feel guilty about how everything unfolded, but you can't predict the outcome. That's how this life is molded. The world ain't a game, why the fuck you got them tokens? Pop had us in church early, putting the plan in motion, yeah. It's crazy how this life can change you. Nevertheless, don't ever let it break you. Cause we ain't through. Pops told me, son, don't let them play you. And handle your business, haters try to take you. Cause we ain't through. A mirror, I promise that daddy gon' make it right. Without you, I really don't have a life. Cause we ain't through. Sleepless nights thinking about Seville. You truly miss, dog, that's for you, and that's just real. Cause we ain't through. We ain't through. We ain't through. Fuck what they said.
I swear to God, they tried to count me out, boy.
We ain't through.
But I got that beer blood in me. Jacktown, Mississippi shit,
Fuck
man.
what they
Stand
said,
up.
boy. We ain't through.
Beers, Beasley, 2015.
Cause we ain't through.